Ever since I met my amiga, I've been able to learn what true friendship is. She's someone that I know I can always talk to, and every time I'm with her, we're always laughing, and I'm so grateful to have a friendship like that in my life. She lets me know that there's someone that I can go to whenever I need help, and there are no words I can use to describe how thankful I am to have her in my life. She has made such an impact on me, and I will forever feel blessed to be able to call her my amiga.